Today let us solve example 5 from arithmetic progression. Okay, here determine the arithmetic progression whose third term is 5 and the seventh term is 9. What is general form of an arithmetic progression? General form of AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. Right? Then third term is 5, that is A3 equal to 5 and A7 equal to 9. What is AN formula? AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D to find the number of terms in the formula. Okay, from this formula. Here A3 is equal to 5, it is given. So that is equal to, here in the place of n substitute 3. So A plus n minus 1 is 3 minus 1 into D. That is 5 is equal to A plus 2D. Okay. Then next one. Let us consider this as 1. Next A7 equal to 9. A7 equal to 9. That is equal to n is 7. So A plus 7 minus 1 into D. That is A plus 6D is equal to 9. Let us consider this as 2. Now let's solve these two equations 1 and 2. A plus 2D equal to 5 and A plus 6D equal to 9. Now subtract 1 and 2. 1 minus 2. A plus 2D minus A plus 6D equal to 5 minus 9. A plus 2D minus A minus 6D equal to minus 4. Minus A plus A will cancel, minus 4. D is equal to minus 4. D is equal to minus 4 divided by minus 4. That is equal to 1. Now D value equals 1. Now let's find out A value. You substitute D value in any one of these equation. A plus 2D. Now we will substitute in equation 1. A plus 2 into D is 1 equal to 5 implies A plus 2 equal to 5 implies A equal to 3. Now we got D value and A value. Now to find general form of an AP, we can substitute A and D value in this form. Okay. Here A is 3. Then A plus D. 3 plus 1. Then 3 plus 2 into 1. Then 3 plus 3 into 1, etc. Implies 3, 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 3 is 6, etc. So this is the answer. 3, 4, 5, 6 is the answer. If you have any doubt in this problem, you can please comment in the comment box. Thank you.